Now let's move on to our second problem. Let's delete this. So what if we have a limit as x approaches 0 of the function 1 over x plus 3 x plus 2, okay, minus 1 over 2, and then x. So as you can see, we're gonna use direct substitution again because mag-undefined yung answer natin. So what we're going to do here is no difference than earlier. We're just going to multiply both numerator and denominator by the fraction ng nasa itaas and then yung denominator niya. Okay, so what we got here is gonna distribute lang natin to. So what we got here is this thing. And then as you can see sa taas, pag dinistribute natin yung negative sign, makakancel natin yung 2, yung dalawang 2. So x plus 2. There you go. So what we have here is negative x over, I think we can cancel x then. Because product yung nasa ibaba and hindi siya addition or subtraction. Nevertheless, we cancel it. So we got 2 quantity x plus 2. So as you can see, you can just use this direct substitution dito. Because 0 plus 2 is 2 and hindi siya mag-equal sa 0 yung denominator. So let's substitute it na. So we got negative 1, 2, and 4. And that's the answer. Now let's move on to our last problem or yung problem natin sa thumbnail. So let's solve it. So yun is meron siyang combination ng radical functions sa ibaba. So gagawa rin ako ng video covering this topic because that is different from this one. But solve ko na rin dito so you guys can get insight. So as you can see, we're gonna use direct substitution once again. So what we need to do is no different from the other two problems. We're going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the fraction of the denominator known as itaas. So what we got here is this thing, distributing the 3 over x to square root of x and to that thing. So dinistribute lang natin lahat. So what we can do here now is just multiply by the conjugate of the radical function na nasa numerator. So both both numerator and denominator. So what we got here now is this thing. So 3 times 3 is 9 and then makakancel lang yung radical sign. So what we got here is this thing. So we cannot substitute it yet because meron tayong x minus 9 and magkakos siya ng kung anong mistakes dyan sa baba. Maga-0 yung denominator natin. Oops, I did a mistake here. So we can just factor out negative 1 again. So we got this thing. Pag tinistribute natin yung negative 1 na yan, mag-equal siya dun sa 9 minus x. Pag pinactor out natin, x minus 9. And we got this thing. So as you can see, we can just cancel x minus 9. So let's just delete the top thing. We do not have enough space. We can cancel x minus 9. So we got negative 1. And then we can use direct substitution. So ilagay ko lang yung limit dito na dapat lagi siya nakalagay. So we got here is 3 root 9. Just times the quantity of 3 plus root 9. Then we can just basically simplify this fraction. Square root of 9 is 3. And then 3 plus the square root 9 and 3 again. So we got the product and sum of 3's. So we got negative 1. Product ng 3 times 3. Sum ng 3 plus 3 and 6. And there you go. So 9 times 6. That is 54. So that's it. That's it for this problem. And that's it for this lesson. I hope you guys learned something.